Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance email address. First, navigate to the official Binance website or open their mobile application. Once there, look for the Contact Us or Support section, usually found in the footer or main menu. This area is your gateway to various support options, including ways to reach them via email. You'll want to find the specific link for submitting a support request. Binance offers several ways to get help. Start by exploring their comprehensive help center, which often has answers to common questions. If you need more direct assistance, utilize the live chat feature for immediate support. For issues requiring detailed explanation or documentation, look for a dedicated email submission form within the support section. When submitting your request, choose the category that best fits your inquiry to ensure it reaches the correct department. Provide a clear and detailed description of your issue, including all relevant information. If possible, attach any necessary screenshots or supporting documents to help the support team understand and resolve your problem efficiently. After submitting your email request, you should receive a confirmation email containing a ticket number. Binance typically aims to respond to inquiries within 24 to 48 hours, though this can vary. Remember to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see a reply in your main inbox within that time frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.